Shall we begin?
Hey guys, what is up? Kaede here and welcome to another weekly B-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the Kaede slide. To start off this move, we're gonna do a CC. From a CC, put it back down, switch. From here, we're gonna do the Kaede slide. Now the simple method to remember this is always remember the move before you do the Kaede slide. So before that, my left leg is straight, my right leg is bent. Okay, and then when you do the Kaede slide, you're gonna bend your left leg and keep your right leg straight. And also, while doing that, you're gonna move your right hand a little bit to the back so that you create the back motion. Okay, so one more time, we'll try this again. CC, put it back down, switch, Kaede slide. After you get comfortable with one side, now you can apply the same method onto the other side and now get yourself a both side Kaede slide. There you go, the Kaede slide is a really fun way to add into your footwork, create more dynamic and more mixture in your footwork. So that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.